pizza e cucina. And as you can see below, the fire is going, and above we have a frying pan that is heating up. I'm gonna take each piece of this chicken. As a matter of fact, we're making pollo in fricassea, which is a typical thing we prepare in Tuscany. So we're gonna salt everything. You can pepper it as well. And we're gonna do this on both sides. Now that all the pieces have been nicely salted, we're going to put some olive oil into the pan. And here we're gonna go with the olive oil. Cover the bottom up and place each piece skin down into the pan. Now we will not touch this chicken or move it around for about 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken is sizzling in the background. We have already chopped up the onions. And then at the very end, we'll also add an egg and some lemon juice, a little bit of mustard. And here we've already chopped up some parsley. We have a little bit of white wine, and we'll accompany everything with the small potatoes. At this point, we will add some hot pepper flakes. Just a few more. And then the onions. Ooh, the onions are gonna be so good in this. If Sad and I could only transfer the aroma coming from here. It smells so good. Now these guys have not been touched, but now they get to be flipped around, and some of the onions can get right underneath it. Look at this. And we'll keep it here for another 15 minutes. 10 minutes are up. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of white wine in here and allow it to cook out. Sfumare. All right, and here we're gonna crack an egg, and then we're going to juice the juice of this lemon. Let's get this out. Squeeze the lemon juice out. We'll add a little bit of this mustard. Just a bit. Stir everything up. And here is our egg and lemon mixture. And we're gonna put this in and take it immediately off the fire. We're going to top it off with just a little bit of chopped parsley, and look as to how delicious this looks. We are finally ready to serve our chicken pollo alla fricassea with some of this delicious sauce. We'll go right on top. Oh, look at this. And then some of our roasted potatoes. Some of those wonderful garlic cloves. Let's get a little bit more sauce on here. And we are ready to serve a delicious lunch. Buon appetito! And now we get to eat together.